Hi, I'm Roberto. I want to take 1 minute to tell you who Flatpicking Experience is really for and who it's not. Flatpicking Experience is my instructional channel, and that's where I teach, but it's not only about lessons. It's for people who love the sound of the acoustic guitar and people who care about touch and sound, tone, meaning, and not just speed. It's for those who don't want to learn alone anymore and who like the idea of walking with other players quietly and with respect. And it's not for people looking for shortcuts. It's not about quick tricks or constant comparison. It's not about proving anything. Flatpicking Experience is a small human space around the guitar, and if this way of learning feels close to you, you are very welcome, and you'll find the link below.